Hi everyone, this is Zahra. I'm going to tell you how we can add some media to the Moodle using this rich editor. As you see here, there are some items here. First, inserting or editing image, adding emoticons, inserting Moodle media, and also inserting or embedding some files. I'm going to tell you how to insert Moodle media. First of all, I click on this part media. In this window that opens, you see we can find or upload a sound, video, applet, etc. So different types of media can be added or inserted into the Moodle. Let's click on this part. As you see here, I can find different types of media from these sources here, from Google Drive, server file, YouTube, Dropbox, etc. Our Moodle. And also I can upload file here by clicking here and coming here to choose a file from my desktop. Now I want to add a short video. You can write some description here, then my name as an author or a person who is adding and inserting it is added here, and the licensing can be chosen by us. Of course, I have forgotten the source. I find the source also and add the source here too. I upload this file and wait for it to be uploaded. Okay. My media is uploaded here. You can see, or you can check it here to make sure it's the file you have uploaded. Okay, I'm not gonna take the time to check it all. After you make sure that it is the file you want to upload, you can also download it here to check. You can make changes when you are watching it by adjusting the sound. After you make sure, you should click on insert to insert it here in this part. Of course, now you just see the link, but after you save the post, you will see it as a file. Let me just write it as the way number 1. Upload from desktop or from computer, let's say. And also I can add this same file from another way. Let's say sharing the link. We can share the link from the internet. Okay, I want to share the link. I have got the link of this in order to make sure that it's the source and people have access to the source. I can also share the link here on the YouTube because I found this video on the YouTube, so I can share its link on the Moodle. Well, in order to activate these links, I need to write a word. Let's say YouTube. Now, when I highlight this, these links are activated. We need to know that I cannot just paste or write or type down the link. When I write it, it will not be activated on the Moodle. I have to activate it through this part. So I paste the URL here. You can also add a title here. Here is opening this window or frame. This means that when you open this message or post, you can see the video here, but if you want, you can choose to be opened in a new window or other formats. And then insert it. Again, you see the activated word here, but when you save the message, you will see the video there, the player over there. Let's check it together to see how it can be seen. I go to the post. Okay, as you see here, the first part that I inserted it from the computer, the player is seen here. And the second way in which I shared the link from the YouTube is seen in this way. You can watch it here. You can use this player. I think it is not uploaded completely now. Yeah, you can watch it here. So the appearance of the first way and the appearance of the video in the second way are in this way. And also you may want to add, let's say, a picture, a photo. We can go back to the message and here add a picture. Maybe we want our message, our lesson, or the post to be started with a picture. Okay, insert or edit an image. I want to add an image. You can add the URL here. You can find or upload an image from your own desktop. You see, again, these sources are available for you. I want to choose a file from my desktop. I chose it. Now I upload this file and wait for it to be uploaded. Okay, you will see the picture here to make sure it is exactly what you want. Press insert. Are you sure you want to continue without including an image description? Well, I'm not going to add any description now, so I click on the OK. Here, as you see, you can make changes in the size of the picture. If it's too big, you may want it to be smaller. Now let's first of all see the appearance to make sure we want to make it bigger or smaller. By saving the image, we will see our post. It begins with a picture. I'm not gonna make it smaller, but I think it's not complete. I think my image at the beginning was not a complete one. This one, the first way of adding media by uploading from our computer. You can play and watch it. And the second one that we shared the link from the source on internet with, in this case it is the YouTube. We can also play it here and watch it and learn from it about the e-learning advantages. Thank you so much for paying attention to this video tutorial. Have a nice time.